Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in my previous video, we have covered what are real numbers and all the categories in it. What are rational numbers, what are irrational numbers, the examples, their subtypes, and everything. And this is lecture 2 of our Maths for Aga Khan University test series. So let's just begin with our second lecture, which is about test of divisibility. Let me remind you that this video, like these series, are specifically for the people who belong to intermediate background, but it's absolutely okay if you're from the A level background as well, because this content is for both the parties, but specifically for the intermediate students because they need it more than the level students. So I hope this series would be helpful for everyone. So let's just get started. In previous video we discussed all these types. Now let's get started with our next topic, which is test of divisibility. Alright, how you'll know that this number can be divided from that number or not? For instance, let's take 2. Alright, if I want to ask you that number 6, 8, 9, will it be divisible by 2 or not? Like without actually calculating. So just, it's a trick. Not a trick, but there are certain rules that you need to follow. First, not first, I would say all even numbers are actually divisible by 2. So this is a prime most rule for divisibility test of 2, that all even numbers are divisible by 2. For example, if we look into this number, so this is not divisible by 2. How I got to know about this? Absolutely, just by looking at it, because 6, 8, 9, the last digit, it's odd, so obviously the whole number will be odd and it won't be divisible by 2. I hope the two is clear to you, because it's very simple and we have been doing it since so long, like since we were in our primary grades. Now, 3, how you will get to know if the digit is divisible by 3? Just sum of all digits should be multiple of 3. Sum of all the digits, or we could say sum of all the digits of the number should be multiple of 3. This is the only one rule for 3. For instance, let's take a number 2978512. What do you think? Is it divisible by 3? Absolutely not. Why? Let's count that what's the actual sum. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 7 would be 22, 22 plus 9 31, 31 plus 2, it's equal to 33, and 33 is not a multiple of 3, so it's not divisible by 3. Again, let's take another example, which is 752176. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, 23 plus 7 is 30. So is 30 divisible by 3? Of course. 3 into 10 is 30, right? So yes, this number is absolutely divisible by 3. So this was the rule for the divisibility test of 3. Now, we have our third number, which is how would you test the divisibility of 4? Nothing, just check the last two digits, the last two digits must be divisible by 4. The last two digits must be divisible by 4. I know I'm very bad at writing. Okay, I hope this is understood to you. Now again, for instance, we have number 7, 9, 6, 3, 5, 4, and we just need to look in 54, the last two digits. So 54 is 54 divisible by 4. So no, actually not. So it won't be divisible, the whole number won't be divisible by 4. Let's take another example. For instance, 209100000. Obviously, another example, 281296. 96 is 96 divisible by 4? So yes, of course it is divisible. So a big yes. Again, these 4 divisibility test. Okay, now let's go for number 5. 5, it's really easy because you just need to check the last digits. Is the digit 5 or 0? If yes, then it is yes, absolutely it is divisible by 5. Alright, so I really hope these divisibility test of these only few numbers were clear to you. We'll be discussing more divisibility test in my next video. Till then, take care and stay tuned to my channel.